I just used this discard in a recipe and I didn't quite finish it all the way. And instead of putting it back in my fridge as it is, I'm actually going to feed this so that it can be ready to be used in a recipe in just a couple days. So you can see how much I have used of this where the rubber band used to be. I'm not going to use a scale today. I'm going to eyeball it. So it is about a finger width down here. So I am just going to go over a finger width above is where I want my water to be. And that is how I'm going to feed it. So let's go ahead and do it. I love using rubber bands. They help me track the rise. It also gives me a good visual of where I want it to be when I'm feeding it. That's it. So now I'm just going to mix that water in. Again, just eyeballing it. Make sure that the starter gets all the way dissolved into the water as best I can before I add my flour. I'm going to be adding my flour in. I'm not going to worry about moving the rubber band until after I've added it in. Right now, I'm just going to be going off of texture and thickness. I'm going to do a pretty good amount to start out with. Again, just eyeballing it. I'm going to mix this in and see where I'm at. It's still pretty liquidy, so I'm going to add more flour. Oh, there we go. That's definitely thicker. Just going to add a tiny bit more. These spatulas are great. They're long and skinny, so they can scrape down the sides really well no matter how wide the mouth of your jar is for your starter. It's filling up that jar pretty well. I'm going to have to get a bigger jar to put it in, so give me a minute. All right, I got one of my wide mouth jars and I'm going to transfer this in here because it's a little too much for this little jar. All right, now that I've transferred it to this jar, I think I want to add a little more flour still. I want it to be nice and thick. All right, now let's see. There we go. Let's get all those dry pockets of flour. But look how thick. That is the perfect texture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to scrape this down. I'm going to put the rubber band back on this jar now. And I'm going to let this sit on the counter for about 2 or 3 hours and start to rise. And then I'm going to stick it in my fridge. And that way it's going to stay in that risen state for a while. And that way I can use it directly in a couple days straight from the fridge. Let's go ahead and do it. I'm making sure to put the rubber band right at the level where it's at right now. I'm going to use this one for this size. And now I'm going to let this sit on the counter again for about 3 hours. Just going to make sure to put it in the fridge before I go to bed tonight.